Hi, so my name is João and this is Sarah.
Hi.
We are both from Portugal. We've been traveling for the last 7 years as a couple, live in many different countries, and now we are currently living in Thailand, in Chiang Mai. And we came across this amazing retreat that we are just giving a little bit back of what we felt during the retreat. So I think we both came for different reasons, of course. Everyone is in their own moment. Um, and yeah, myself was a little bit more on the. I'd say I had my goals, but I wanted to go a little bit further and to see more my purpose, a little bit higher on my values. So I really needed to make that more consolidated. Sarah.
Yeah, in my case, I was really looking for some guidance, and yeah, and it was really interesting by doing this inner work. We felt that this course actually made us much closer. We had some pretty deep insights about ourselves, our relationship. We shared some maybe things that we were hiding from each other.
Yes.
So we definitely felt that we leave this course feeling much closer and much more intimate. Had a really good impact in our relationship.
And also for anyone that and we felt that in the beginning. So should we go as a couple? Should we go together? Would that be strange? And it's completely the opposite. So it was much better. Of course, there was a bigger group, so we could share with everyone. But I really recommend to any couple that is second thinking if should come. Definitely a goal.
Yeah, yeah. I think just going through the initial feeling of unease of the sharing moments. I think a couple really has to gain in their growing relationship coming to this course.
Yeah.